Welcome. You are watching the campus news from Holy Cross College Nagercoil. News for the second half of March 2024. The 28th of March 2024. Seminar on Marketing in the Modern Era. In a seminar organized by BCom SF2, the resource person, Ms. S. Jasmine Suguna, Assistant Professor and Head of the Department of Management Studies at St. Xavier's College of Engineering, Chungangade, oriented the participants on marketing in modern era. The 22nd of March 2024. Our college, in collaboration with the head post office Nagercoil, conducted a special Aadhaar and passport enrollment and updation camp at the college premises. Representatives from the post office, Mr. Isaki Muthu and Mr. Ram Kumar, delivered the services, and a large number of staff and students benefited from the camp. The 23rd of March 2024. Career Guidance for School Students. In a career guidance fair organized by Kota Diocese at St. Aloysius High Secondary School, Vetunimadam, Nagercoil, our college featured its courses on display, and our teachers educated the Class 11 and Class 12 participants on higher education opportunities. The 25th of March 2024. The Department of Mathematics SF, in collaboration with Aditya Max Academy Nagercoil, organized a seminar on navigating career paths and mastering competitive exams. Mr. R. Sitaraman, trainer of Aditya Max Academy Nagercoil, was the resource person of the seminar. The 26th of March 2024. Women Initiative for Skill Enhancement. In the inaugural edition of Skill Enhancement Training organized by the Department of Chemistry, interested women from the neighboring villages participated and received training on preparing of washing and cleaning liquids for personal and small-scale entrepreneurial business ventures. Intercollegiate competitions. In the World Consumer Rights Day celebrations organized by the Kanyakumari Jilla Consumers Protection Center in association with the consumer clubs of the district, Ms. Evelyn Jovita of Commerce Department received the third prize in drawing competition. In the Best Manager competition held at Nesamani Memorial Christian College, Marthandam, Ms. Michael Siona received the first prize and a cash reward of Rs 3,000. In the National Management Fest held at Nurul Islam Center for Higher Education, our students Ms. Michael Siona and Ms. Hasina received prizes. In the National Intercollegiate Business Fest quiz competition held at St. Xavier's Catholic College of Engineering, Chungangade, Ms. M. Chandani and Ms. R. Lijeshri of BCom SF1 won first prize and received a cash award of Rs 3,000. Dr. Baby, Assistant Professor of History, was conferred the Tamil Maamani Award by Senthamil Arulneri Theravai. The Department of Costume Design and Fashion is offering short-term courses on baking, embroidery, ari work, fashion designing, fashion illustration, beautician and fabric painting this summer beginning from April. In an effort to boost the tally of already granted patents, new patents have been filed with the Office of the Controller General of Patents, Designs and Trademarks, Government of India for 10 inventions and 3 designs by the teaching staff, research scholars and students of the college. These are the latest from the campus. Holy Cross College Nagercoil takes pride in its winning streak that continues into each day and every minute of the year. Stay tuned until we meet in another edition of Campus News. Thank you.